Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be trying a new palette out. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. So as you know, I love testing the I Heart Revolution palettes, and as you can see, I've pretty much got a bare face. I've just got some foundation on, some concealer and some brows and lip gloss. That's it. I really want to give this palette a try. So it's called the Praline. Is it Praline? Is that how you say it? It's the Praline I Heart Revolution palette. And it has got everything in here for a full face, really. So we've got a bronzer, we've got blusher, we've got some highlights. And I'm just going to try it. I have got, like I said, I've got no bronzer on, I've got no blusher on. So we're going to try this palette. So the shades and colors just look absolutely insane. The quality, the pattern, oh my god, look at this. I just love this one here. They just look gorgeous. So I'm going to put them to the test and see what it looks like. I'm sure you guys know who Snugs is by now if you watch my videos, but she's in every video. So the first one I'm going to use is this bronzer, which is called Temper. Oh, it's very dark. Very nice, actually. I didn't think I was going to like it because it was really dark when it went on the brush. And now I put it on my face, it's actually okay. You definitely only need a little bit. Has that gone patchy? Ooh. To be honest, no. Just need to blend in a little bit more. Hello, baby. I love you. You know what? I love it. I like that. It's a really nice colour. It's a really nice tone. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and it's not muddy. I really like that. What I'm hoping for with this palette is that I can just grab this and get everything out of it that I want. Usually I'm grabbing a bronzer, I'm grabbing a different blusher, and as much as I love trying new things, I would love for this to be like a holy grail for me. I would love for this to work so I can just literally grab it whenever I want to do my makeup and I can do everything with it. So the next thing we're going to try is the blusher. So for blushes, for me personally, I do like matte blushes more than I do shimmer. I always find them a little bit too sheer. So this one is a shimmer, as you can see. Very shimmery. But we shall see. Okay. First impression, really like it. It goes very nice with that bronzer. Very nicely mixed together. For me, I would definitely have this for more of like a glowy natural look. I love it. When I really want to do a full like coverage look, probably wouldn't. I would probably go for more of a matte blusher. But honestly, I love it. I actually really love it. It is very, very shimmery, but very natural looking. Oh, what do you guys think? So the next thing is these highlighters now. So we've got one called, so by the way, that one was called Ripple. So we've got Bonbon, Praline and Fondant. So I'm gonna swatch them all for you. So these are the highlighters. Now for me, I would probably go for the Bonbon, which is more the whiter one. I don't really tend to go for this much of a deeper gold look because of my sort of skin tone. However, we are going to try them all. So I'm literally going to pack them all on and see what they look like, to be honest. So I'm going to first go in with Bonbon, which is this pinky shimmery. Ooh, I like it. I love it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Love it. So I really like that one. I'm now going to go into Praline, which is this deep gold. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, maybe put a bit too much on, but do you know what? That is beautiful, but I put way too much on. So I'm thinking, you know, if I did a full fake tan, fully tanned, and I was like glowing somewhere beautiful on holiday, really glowing, and I just wanted to get a bit of goddess glow with some beautiful highlight, that is the one. Very nice. Just not for this pale winter weather that we've got right now, because it's snowing out there. Okay, so the next we're going to try is Fondant, which is this white. So I'm hoping this doesn't come out too white, but we shall see. Wow. Do you know what? Whenever I look at these, they look really, really pigmented, but then when you put them on, they just are very natural looking. So can you see I've put them other two on and I haven't there. So this one is just Bonbon, and then I'll show you Praline to this side. See, it gives a bit more of a golden glow, and then Fondant, a little bit more of a whiter shimmer. So do you know what? They all go very nice together. Overall, I'm actually really happy with this palette. Really happy. There's sort of three things I look at for the different three things we've got. So for the bronzer, I like to make sure it's not muddy and it's not cakey, which it's not. The blushes, again, it is sheer and it is shimmery, but for some reason, I'm really loving it. And then the highlighters, they're really nice. They're not too chalky or anything like that. They are gorgeous. I am actually obsessed with this palette. This is now one of my favorites. I'm so happy that I grabbed it. I just wasn't sure about it. I've been seeing it for such a long time, and I thought, you know what, let me see if I can find my palette where I can just grab it and do all of my blusher, bronzer, highlight. So I'm obsessed with this. This is a yes for me. I'm going to put the price on the screen for you guys right now so you can see. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed this look, I hope you did. Let me know down below what you think of this makeup look. And also please subscribe if you're new. It means so much to me. We're so close to 1300 and hopefully 2k very soon. And also follow my Instagram. I'm going to put a gorgeous picture up of this, because this, I need to take some gorgeous pictures of this, because this palette needs to be shouted about. It's insane. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.